Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on login protection on Imo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that tap on account and security. Then you can see the option of login protection. Tap on it. After that you can see the option of basic protection. Turn on it by tapping on it. Then tap on OK. So this is how you can turn on login protection on Imo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.